Blessed One. Disciples are often delusional when they hear the Dharma. Suddenly I remembered the mountain flowers of the day before yesterday, suddenly thinking of distant relatives and friends. Come back to your senses. I have long missed what you said. Delusions come like wild horses. The disciple is really powerless to surrender. As the saying goes, don't be afraid to remember, afraid of being late. The disciple didn't know what to do. I implore the Blessed One to begin. Buddha pointed to the silk in the corner of his eye. Open slowly, Anand. You look at the webs. He moves when the wind comes. When the wind goes away, he will be quiet. He never gets upset by the wind. I will not cling to the stillness of the wind. Delusion is like this wind. Just like this. Why do you need to support the wind? You just have to ride on that wind. It is good to know the networks where the wind goes. Anand looks confused, and the disciple is stupid. I don't know how to know the wind. Zhifeng goes. The Buddha stooped and picked up a leaf from the stone steps. Gently placed in the puddle, the fallen leaves swayed slightly with the water waves, but always floating on the water. Never sank to the bottom. Look at this leaf. The Buddha said that he waves on the water. Bopen is static. He doesn't resist the waves. Don't chase water waves. Just clearly moving with the waves. But it never loses its essence. This is the feeling. Don't be afraid to remember. Afraid of being late. The Buddha paused. It's common to see things clearly. People's hearts are like heaven and earth. It is inevitable that clouds will float by. The scary thing is not that the clouds cover the sun, but the clouds are coming and you don't know it. I thought the clouds were the whole world. So I follow the clouds. Lost my heart. Anand, after listening, looked down and think for a moment. Then he asked the disciple how to practice this skill. Buddha's filial piety does not require deliberate pursuit of knowledge. Only pay attention to lying in daily life. When you eat, you know you are eating when you walk. Knowing that you are walking and breathing. Know that you are breathing. When delusional, don't be upset. No need to drive. Just ask yourself a question. What am I thinking about right now? This question is the light of Omen. This light shines. Delusions are like morning dew. Natural dissipation. Ananda was suddenly enlightened when he heard the words. The disciple understood that it was never against delusion. It's seeing delusion. The wind of the hot summer passes by. With the fragrance of vegetation, the distant bell rang. Ripples in the air. Like the thoughts of the human heart. Ups and downs. But there is always a clear and quiet summons in the depths.